So right about now we're doing the security camera installation, and we're using the CAT6 cable. So what we do is we're having the DVR here with a monitor and just a little video just to show you guys that what we're doing is we're passing these wires and we're making sure that there's no interruption or any high voltage cables around or anything. So the cable has to be not close to power, so you put it parallel to power. We don't have power now, but this is cold water. If it's hot, you know, we wouldn't put it next to it, but it's actually, as you can see, going through. We're going to be stapling it neatly. So definitely what you want to do is make sure that you have a professional path and it's installed correctly. As you can see here, we took a turn and we're creating a path this way. And as you can see, there's hot water pipes here. So what we did is we drilled a kind of like 3/4 of an inch of a hole, putting it through there and creating a path again. So the wiring that we're doing is professionally, and your work actually says your talent. So